Q5900. When learners become so frustrated they no longer believe it possible to work further, they usually display which defense mechanism? A. Aggression. B. Resignation. C. Rationalization. The correct answer is B. Resignation is a defense mechanism where a learner gives up hope and accepts defeat. It can be triggered by feelings of overwhelm, fear of failure, or a sense of inadequacy. Teachers should be attentive to signs of resignation in students and engage in supportive conversations to understand the underlying issues and help them develop more constructive coping strategies. 5901. A learner who is daydreaming is engaging in the defense mechanism known as A. Flight. B. Substitution. C. Rationalization. The correct answer is A. Daydreaming is a form of mental escape, a defense mechanism known as flight. Learners may daydream to avoid stressful situations or feelings of anxiety or frustration. Teachers should be attentive to signs of daydreaming in students and have conversations to understand the underlying reasons and support them in finding more constructive ways to engage with their learning. 5902. Which of these instructor actions would more likely result in learners becoming frustrated? A. Presenting a topic or maneuver in great detail. B. Covering up instructor mistakes or bluffing when the instructor is in doubt. C. Telling the learners that their work is unsatisfactory without explanation. The correct answer is C. When an instructor tells a learner that their work is unsatisfactory without explanation, it can be very frustrating for the learner. The learner may not know what they did wrong, and they may feel like they are being punished unfairly. This can lead to a number of negative consequences, including the learner may become discouraged and lose motivation to learn. The learner may become angry and resentful towards the instructor. The learner may develop a negative attitude towards learning in general. It is important for instructors to provide feedback to learners in a constructive and helpful way. This means explaining why the work is unsatisfactory and providing suggestions for how the learner can improve. By doing this, instructors can help learners to learn from their mistakes and to improve their work. 5903. The effectiveness of communication between the instructor and the learner is measured by the degree of A. Motivation manifested by the learner. B. Similarity between the idea transmitted and the idea received. C. Attention the learner gives to the instructor during a lesson. The correct answer is B. Effective communication in teaching and learning involves clear and understandable exchange of ideas. Factors such as clarity of communication, learner motivation, and prior knowledge impact communication effectiveness. The most crucial factor is the similarity between the idea transmitted and received by the learner. 5904. To communicate effectively, instructors must A. Utilize highly organized notes. B. Display an authoritarian attitude. C. Display a positive, confident attitude. The correct answer is C. Effective instructors connect with learners by being positive, confident, and approachable. They use active listening, visual aids, varied teaching methods, practice opportunities, and provide feedback. These strategies create a positive learning environment and enhance communication effectiveness.